Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to the retirement account breakdown. So we're going to go over what I'm seeing in the market right now, how my portfolio is doing, any adjustments that I'm going to make, and anything like that. So if you're interested in seeing videos like this on a weekly basis, make sure you smash that subscribe button and the like button, and we'll get started right now. All right, guys, so the strategy that I'm using is a swing trading strategy combined with a covered call approach. So on my retirement account, I am swing trading stocks, primarily SPY, Apple, and the FAME stocks, Facebook, Amazon, Apple, Microsoft, and Google. And so that's kind of where my focus is at. If you want to learn more step by step, the exact strategy that I'm using, I will give you the free PDF if you click the first link below. So make sure you check that out if you want to learn the exact system. Anyways, looking at my portfolio right now, this is my first time looking at it today. We can see here that Apple is a bit down today, which makes sense, the P&L day, because we're having a bit of a red day. So we can see that on both Apple positions. Also, we can see here that we're having a positive day on our covered calls, because that makes sense. If the market is down a bit, then of course our covered calls will be up. So that's something to look at there as well. And we also have SPY slightly down as well. So anyways, the portfolio is slightly down today. It looks like down about 400 today. Total down about 700. Just started up this retirement account here recently. So that's why. But again, our approach here is we're going to be swing trading SPY and Apple. So let me switch over to Apple, kind of explain my thoughts on it and why I'm not too worried. So again, Apple is having a clear bounce off the 200-day moving average. So again, I won't be taking any. I won't be worried about anything until it gets below the 200-day moving average, so below this level here at around 122. So definitely not worried on Apple just yet, especially since I have the covered call. If it does come down to this level and I do sell my stock, the covered call is going to replace some of what I lost. It's going to replace about $120 of losses. So that's a very great place to be, and I have two of those, so it's going to replace about $240 to $140 of any losses. So it's a good way to combat losses is with covered calls as well as create income. If we still head up, which I am expecting, because I'm expecting the market to be positive overall this week, then I think my calls are placed at 135. Let's double check that. Yeah, I have the 135 calls. So as long as we don't get above 135, we should be fine. I don't expect it reaching that high. But again, if it does, we still make a profit either way. So again, guys, we're looking great on the portfolio overall. Not going to complain, doing great. I'm going to actually be looking to once Apple gets to about this range, around the 150 range, hopefully in the next two months or so, I'm going to sell out, take about a 10 to 15% profit, and then move that to SPY and start doing covered calls on SPY. So that's kind of the goal there. And so that's what I'm looking at. And so, yeah, that's kind of where my attention has been. One of the saddest stocks was right here on Delta Airlines. We're up about 100% on that. So I was talking about this back, but anyways, that was just what I saw this morning, reminiscing on that stock since it popped up on the screener. But anyways, yeah, guys, the portfolio is overall doing well. Looking to swing trade this and looking for a positive week. Regardless, our stop loss is going to be about here on the stock, and then our cover calls will take over and expire worthless. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Again, if you want to learn these step-by-step strategies, sorry there wasn't much happening this week. Typically, I'm able to sell out of some positions and put on some new ones, but nothing much is happening this week to do. So that's how we're going to end this video. If you want to learn more about the strategy, definitely click the first link in the description. And if you want to learn how to get this custom indicator, click the second link in the description. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. And if you haven't already, I would definitely check out watching the $1,000 challenge.